to Wolo. We only live once.
Hello everybody, welcome to Wolo. This is Emi, and now I am here to teach you how to prepare a delicious dish from El Salvador. I am talking about enchiladas. This recipe contains two big elements: dough and curtido. Now I am going to show you some ingredients that we are going to use in this recipe. They are cabbage, onion, pepper, and carrot. And if you want, you can add it a little bit of salt. And it has two ways to prepare it. You can use vinegar and you have to wait for around 1 hour, or lemon. In my personal case, I prepare it in vinegar, and I will show you how to do it. Now I am going to use a piece of cabbage, and if you want, you can use a grater or a knife. In my personal case, I am going to use this. You can buy it for around $1 in the supermarket, and you have to do it in this way. Now we are going to start with the onion. We are going to do the same procedure. We're going to use it, or you can use a grater, of course. In my case, this knife. Okay, here we have the onion, and I'm going to use a small quantity of this because I don't like. To continue with the green pepper, we are going to use the grater because it is easy for me. You are going to use this part. You have to start. Just in a small quantity. You don't need a lot of this because this is just to color and a little bit of flavor. We are going to use, of course, the grater with the carrot in the same way as we did it with the green pepper. Remember, just in a small quantity because it's just for a little bit of flavor and color to have in our curtido. When you have all your ingredients, you are going to use a bowl and you start to put them in. And previously I washed my hands, and I am going to use them to mix them. And remember that I told you that you can use salt. Now, my friends, I'm going to show you some ingredients that we need to prepare the dough to cook our enchiladas. They are water, salt, cornmeal, it doesn't matter the brand, oil, it doesn't matter the brand too. We need a bowl, and annatto, that here in El Salvador it is known as achiote. Okay, in my family we are 5. I'm going to use just 1 pound of cornmeal, Remember the bowl? You have to add it. Then you add water and small quantity. It depends on you. Then you have to wash your hand before that, of course. You have to mix them. You have to scrunch the cornmeal and the water. If you see that it doesn't take a good texture, you could add a little bit more of water and continue with that. We have to continue mix the ingredients. Here we add a little bit of salt and we're going to use the annatto. We have to add a little bit more of water and continue with that. For me, it is enough with the color and the texture. As you can see, we add a little bit of oil. And we mix again. To continue with this recipe, we have to prepare a sauce to add to our enchiladas. In this case, we need a blender, green pepper. We have to cut it in small pieces. We have to add it. Then we have to add onion. We have to cut it in small pieces too. The tomatoes. And we have to add it a little bit of water. And we start. Then you have to use a cooking pot to boil the sauce around 10 minutes. You have to take a small piece of dough. You need water too and a spatula. Now you have to clap it. Now that you have the enchilada here in the hot oil, you have to spin it and then you have to take it out with a spatula. Now you have to use a pan and you have to add a little bit of oil to fry the fish or perezcas, just like this. Now that we have the enchilada here, I am going to show you how to prepare, or how my family and I prepare the enchilada. I have seen many ways to prepare it, but I will show you my way. First, we have to add the curtido. After that, we have to decorate, of course I told you, with cucumber, tomato, and radish. In this way, if you want, you could add it a little bit of salt and lemon juice. Then the sauce that we prepared, we add here. And to decorate, the tradition is that we have to add it fish. Okay, my friends, here we have the final result. One with fish, the other with cheese, and a mixed enchilada with fish and cheese. If you want, you could add it a little bit more of lemon juice, and you can drink coffee, soda, whatever you want. Enjoy it. You can do it with your family and your friends. That is all. See you. Bye.